The combine function. The combine function in Excel is also known as combination function, which is used to calculate the number of possible combinations for two given numbers. This function takes two arguments, the number and the number chosen. So, this function calculates the highest number of combinations available based on the number of items given. Looking at this table, in this pool of items we have 4, and we are looking for 2 groups in this 4. So how many ways or how many combination of 2s can we get here? If you use the combine function, if you have equals combine C4, that is the number, and the number chosen, which is 2, it gives us 6. So for 4 items and 3 groups, we have 4. For 26, we have 4 groups of 2, we have 325. Now let's see this practically. This example calculates the possible number of pairs of letters available from the 4 characters A, B, C, D. That is 4 characters. We want to see how many pairs can we get in these 4 characters. The combined formula says it is 6. Let's check. These are the 4 letters A, B, C, D. I can have pair 1 to be A, B, pair 2 A, C, pair 3 A, D, pair 4, I'll start with B now, B, C, pair 5 B, D, and pair 6, the last pair, C, D. So we actually have 6 pairs, which corresponds to what the formula says. So this is just the same combination function in statistics. And we can see other examples to choose 3 color scheme from 5 available colors. We have 10 as the answer. So we can prove this by having 5 different colors: red, green, blue, yellow, black, and choosing 3 schemes at once, starting with the reds first. The reds go first, and then we want to choose the green and the blue. We will definitely have 10 groups. So I purposely left this last one. So when you get this worksheet, kindly put the last group of colors that you have to make the 10th one. So this is how the combine function works in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for your time here. Subscribe, follow us, and like our videos as we see you in the next one. Thank you.